Is your iPhone filled with old messages and not as fast as it used to be? The solution is very simple, and you can clean everything up in just a few steps. To delete a single conversation, start by opening the Messages app on your iPhone. From the conversation list, swipe left on any conversation. Tap the trash can icon. A small pop-up will appear. Tap Delete to confirm the action. To delete multiple conversations at once, in the top left corner, tap the Edit option. A menu will appear. Choose Select Messages. Then, tap on every conversation you want to remove. Once you're done, at the bottom right, tap Delete. Another confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Delete Conversations to confirm. But keep in mind, the messages are not gone permanently yet. Now, from the top of the screen, whether on the left or right depending on whether your iPhone is an older or newer model, tap Edit again. From the menu that appears, choose Recently Deleted. You'll see all the conversations you just removed. Select all or pick the ones you want to erase completely. Then, at the bottom right, tap Delete. A final pop-up will appear. Confirm by tapping Delete once more. And that's it! Now all your messages are permanently erased. And if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe.